Hi everyone. Very happy morning to everyone. And we are meeting now again for online assembly. And today, our fourth standard Jaspers are going to do online assembly. Let's start the session now. I would like to welcome.
Fine. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning to everyone.
I would like to call Tafim to give prayer.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yan Muhammad Tafim. I am studying third standard A section. Surah Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. السلام عليكم.
Yeah, thank you, Tafim. We feel very fresh for your prayer. Now, I would like to call Pavitra Miss and team for Tamil Thai Valthu.
தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. நீராடும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்த கீழொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனகே தமிழனகே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Yeah, let's start the session with thought of the day. I would like to welcome Soviet Sri from 4th standard.
Thought of the day. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you do not have in life, you will never have enough. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Soviet Sri. Now, I would like to call Zahan from 4th standard to tell the story.
Good morning, sir. The true friends. Once there were two friends, a squirrel and a puppy. They used to live and play together. The squirrel was very sporty and always won the game. The puppy used to feel bad and thought that it was of no use. One day it started raining heavily. The squirrel was in high spirits. He started doing antics but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rainwater. He called his friend, the puppy, for help. The puppy came to his rescue. The squirrel climbed on its back and reached a safe place. He thanked his friend of saving his life. Thank you.
Yeah, very good, Zahan. We enjoyed your story. Let's see the word of the day from Valai Manha.
Word of the day. Rescue, meaning save someone from a dangerous or difficult situation. Sentence, fireman received a drift in the river. Word of the day. Climb, meaning go or come, appear, ascend. We began to climb the hill. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Valai Manha. We learned two new words today. Yeah, let's see Tirukural now from Harikesh.
Good morning to all. My name is Sarikesh. I'm studying 4th standard in Greenville CBSE School of Excellence. இன்றைய திருக்குறள் முகனாக நட்பது நட்பு அன்று நெஞ்சத்து அகனாக நட்பது நட்பு என்பதற்கு விளக்கம். இன்முகம் காட்டுவது மற்றும் நட்புக்கு அடையாளம் அல்ல. இதயமாற நேசிப்பதே உண்மையான நட்பாகும். நன்றி.
Thank you very much, Harikesh. Yeah, what you said is right. Thank you, dear students. Let's start the video. After completing that activity, you will be have 3 questions. You want to answer it. Let's see now. Everyone watch carefully. Today we are going to discuss about a first aid for a special.
His seizures can be quite sudden, where his body suddenly stiffens and then he starts to shake. This is known as a tonic-clonic seizure. If someone you were with had a seizure, would you know what to do? Would you know what not to do? Knowing how to respond with basic first aid can help keep the person safe. Witnessing a seizure can be frightening. It is important that you remain calm. If the person is lying face down, or if there is any food or liquid in their mouth, roll them onto their side immediately. Otherwise, roll them onto their side when the jerking stops. Do not try to move them unless they're in immediate danger. Remove any objects on or around them that may cause injury. Protect their head by placing something soft under it. Time the seizure. An epileptic seizure typically lasts less than 2 minutes. Do not put anything in the person's mouth. Do not try to restrain the person. Observe what is happening to the person during the seizure. Observe what parts of their body are affected and how they are affected. Monitor their breathing and skin color. Make sure you stay with them and reassure them until they have fully recovered. This is Mei Lin and her family. Mei Lin has focal seizures where she may suddenly appear confused or show inappropriate responses or confused behavior. Begin by checking for a response. If they are non-responsive, time the seizure. Protect them from harm, but do not restrain them. Stay with them and observe their behavior. The person may be confused and tired when the seizure ends. Note how long the seizure lasts. Gently reassure them until they have recovered. You will need to call an ambulance if the person is injured, there is food, fluid or vomit in the person's mouth, the seizure occurs in water, the person has breathing difficulties after the jerking stops, another seizure quickly follows. The seizure lasts longer than 5 minutes or longer than usual for that person. The person is non-responsive for more than 5 minutes after the seizure.
You can give your response in chat box. What is the primary concern when assisting a person have seizure? Holding them still, keeping them safe from harm. The question again I'm explaining. See what they want to do if they attack. If a person attacks by seizure, first we want hold or we want to keep them from harm. What we want to do? Yeah, one response A. Jashwant A. Muhammad Yazin B. Faris Ashir A. And then Azad A. Hamad A. And then Siddharth are telling B. Ibrahim, keep them safe. Okay, Shoaib B. Muhammad Ibrahim B. Ilman Farooq A and B. Nice. Hamdan A. and Sharmi B. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. Option B is the right answer. We should not hold them. We should leave them and we want to keep them from harm. So keeping them safe from harm. Let's go for second question. Which can be a cause for further concern after a seizure? So seizure வந்த பிறகு உங்களுக்கு என்ன நடக்கும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Option A, the person may be confused. Option B, the person continues to have trouble breathing. Let's see the answers now. Yeah, Danish B, Shoaib A, Yazin A, and then yeah, maximum nice responses is coming. Ilman Farooq B, yeah, very good responses. So the actual answer is the person may be confused. The person may be in confused. Yeah, good responses. Let's go for third question. What is a powerful behavioral trigger of seizure? Option A, lack of sleep. Option B, no trigger behavioral. Option B, Jashwant Sterling. Option A, and Shamanna B. Shoaib A. Hamad B. Ryan also is giving response, which is the answer is B. Okay, Sharmi also is telling option A and B. As usual, Ilman Farooq is telling A and B. Okay, Siddharth is telling B. Let's see the right answer now. Satisha GK B. Syed Ahmed also responding. Yazin again responding. Okay, let's see the answers now. Lack of sleep. The triggered behavior is lack of sleep. Very good, students. So the activity ends. Let's start the national anthem now.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Yeah, dear students, today you will be have remedial classes. So in that class, you can clarify the answers for your question papers. It will start from 9:30 and it will end at usual time. Yeah, next Monday, our Blossoms third standard students are going to do online assembly. All the best for that students. Thank you very much. We are going to end this session.